Hi everybody, welcome to EmilioMeals, and today we're making the world's best sandwich. So to make this sandwich, there's going to be three main parts. It's going to be the garlic bread, the ciabatta garlic bread, the steak cutlets, which we're going to bread and fry up, and the sauce, which you will already know how to make. Link will be in the description. So first thing we're going to do is make the garlic butter for the bread. So it's really simple. As you can see, I've already got some butter in a pan. We have a lot of butter, we've got a lot of garlic. So we're gonna grate it all right on top of the butter and melt it together. Got our buns cut up. Now we're gonna prepare our steaks. This is what we use for the sandwich. They cook quickly and they taste really good and they work really well in the sandwich. This is the best, definitely the best thing to use in my opinion. You could also use chicken, like a chicken parm style, and you could also use eggplant if you're vegetarian. Also would work great. We got flour. We're gonna go our eggs. And here we got panko breadcrumbs. We're gonna do 50-50 panko breadcrumbs and Italian breadcrumbs. I'll show you how we're gonna make this breadcrumb mix extra special. Grate in a decent amount of Parmesan cheese. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna add, just the cheese. And then also we're gonna add salt and pepper to each stage of our breading mix. Got our steaks breaded, ready to get fried. Got our canola oil heating up, our sauce heating up. An easy way to tell if your canola oil is ready for things to be fried in. And that's to take a wooden spoon, you put it in. As you can see right now, nothing's happening because it's not heated up yet. But I'll show you what happens once it's heated up. Bubbles will start forming, and you'll be able to tell pretty easily if it's ready. So here we go. Oh, our butter's been in the fridge for about 20 minutes and it's starting to solidify. And that's about when I'm gonna add parsley. Our canola oil is heating up, so we're gonna test if it's ready. Let's see. See that? Our steaks are ready to go in. We're gonna take our steaks, carefully and slowly lay them down, front to back. These are gonna go for about 2 minutes each side, or until golden brown. Bread laid out on our baking sheets. Got our butter, garlic butter, ready to go. Garlic butter mixed with parsley. The parsley is gonna add some really delicious freshness. It's gonna smell amazing in the oven. Maybe the best smell you'll ever smell. So here we go. Let's butter our bread. Our oven's preheated. Our bread is buttered. Let's put them in the oven. Our oven's preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just gonna have these in here until they're golden crispy brown. The bread's been in the oven for about 5 minutes. I'm gonna take a look, see how it's doing. So see how we got these nice gold crispy bits on there? That's where we want it. I think these are ready to come out. Got some low moisture mozzarella cheese. We're gonna throw in our sandwich and melt it in the oven once it's all assembled. So here we go. We got all our ingredients ready. Only thing left to do is assemble our sandwich and toast it in the oven. First thing I'm gonna do is lay down the meat. We got our steak cutlets fried up. Deliciously crispy. So good. You can see the way I'm layering the meat. So there's not too much, but there's not too little. The meat's gonna cover edge to edge on the sandwich. Next step, add the sauce. Sauce is on, let's layer our cheese. Our sandwiches are assembled and ready to go in the oven. We've got it on broil setting. All I'm gonna do is get the cheese nice and melted, get a little bit of golden crispiness on the cheese. Then we'll be ready to finish the sandwiches and eat them. Let's do it. The thing is, when you're broiling, you want to watch very closely because it can burn really easy. So just keep an eye on it. Sandwiches are done. Got a nice bowl of our Sunday sauce to dip it in. Let's eat.
Go.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. This is the world's best sandwich, so you better eat it.
Like the video.
That's mostly what I came back for.